Good morning, everyone. Good morning and welcome to FraudCon number 7. Hi, good morning. I'm Gilit. Thank you. FraudCon number 7. What a miracle it is to be here today. This is the largest local annual conference for fraud fighting, and as the community, part of this community, we do not take it for granted that we are all here. I'll do my thank yous while people are coming in, which will get us started nearly on time. And the first and most important thank you is to Yuri Rivner, my co-chair, and the living spirit here. Definitely worth it. Yuri, when you and I were envisioning this conference this year, we were, as you can imagine, very emotional about it. And I remember that you were telling me how you'll need to cut our call short because you were volunteering on one of the guards to look out around the area of your home. And I had this naive image in my mind that if you saw anything suspicious, you would just be able to just shout into the night, hey, do you want to hear something really funny about fraud that I just noticed in our data? And anyone, the way you tell a story, would just forget about whatever it is they came to do and sit down to talk about fraud prevention with you, because fraud fighting and fraud storytelling is such a safe space and such an inspiration and an imaginative activity that keeps us all driven. So this is what we're here to do today. Next on our thank yous is the huge, amazing team at the Cyber Week team of the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center here at Tel Aviv University, and the incredible sponsors who all came together in order to make this event possible today. So, as we were mentioning the sponsors, I'll just have a brief reminder that at the end of the day, the sponsors are gonna, most of the sponsors are gonna be there for closed-door roundtable sessions that are happening in another side of the university. This is an invitation-only event. If you are not sure if you were invited, please reach out during the breaks to make sure that that everything is in order. And last but not least, I just want to send our thanks and best wishes to May Brooks Kempler, a friend and a supporter of this conference who unfortunately was not unable to travel due to health reasons this year, and we wish her everything. We hope and we wait to see her again next year.